Welcome to Neon Cobra. Let's kick into it. I say this a lot, but this is also going to be a fun one. I'm going to dive into AI a little bit. This is a very interesting topic. Clearly, everything is talking about AI, but specifically, I want to talk about Azure AI and the services and how an MSP might start to approach this. What you'll find a lot in the industry is, everybody wants to kind of hop on the bandwagon, ensure that we're working with the proper products. And Microsoft Copilot's really kind of the deliverable for us to handle that. But when we look at the Azure side, what we start to see is the tools to build something. And you're going to see a lot of the big ones with the open AI language engines, the formed recognizers, the machine language, and the machine learning modules. And what you're going to find a lot of times when you go into that is while they are cool, they're not really meant to be used by managed service providers at this point. We really rely on kind of turnkey solutions and operations to be able to provide functional features to our clients to be able to grow the industry and the business. Now, I do know some partners that I've worked with that are actually building some really cool stuff in there, and eventually we'll see products that leverage these services. What I really want to get across with this video is when we're looking about maybe deciding what platform to align on, maybe for future proof or future state, Microsoft has really done the investment and the time to ensure that we are set up for success. The AI services in Azure actually aren't that new. The form recognizer and stuff has been kind of a staple of the cognitive services features within Azure for probably 7 to 10 years, if I had to take a guess. So the introduction of like the GPT language models and stuff and the OpenAI plugins are new to the environment, but not new to Microsoft. So when you're going in, you are getting resources that are tried and tested. You'll also see some really cool things with Power Platform, which is a great middle ground for creating your own GPTs and engines. So if you're looking to get started and not sure where, start there and then go further into cognitive services. A little bit over time, it's an absolutely lengthy subject, but I did want to outline that there are heavy sections of Azure and heavy, powerful tools in there to take advantage of, but it might not necessarily be as easy and turnkey as you expect. See you on the next one. Check out the blog.